So what is a passive income ladder and how can you become financially free when you master it? In my experience as a super affiliate in a number of affiliate programs, it's become clear to me that the passive income ladder is super simple to do, and I'm going to share with you in this video how to do it. Effectively, it's going to take you from a standard affiliate, and the average affiliate actually earns nothing, all the way up to a thought leader master that people are going to flock to. And no, we're not talking about some kind of cult thing here. In this video, I'm going to go through some steps that you can use along your passive income journey all the way up to financial freedom. And if passive income sounds like the kind of thing that you'd like to achieve, why not consider dropping a subscribe on the channel as I push out even more valuable content to help you along your way. Plus, if you stay to the end, I'm going to reveal the top 3 passive income earners for me and show you how you can start activating them to get you commissions today. Now, I've actually condensed the passive income ladder into a few steps so it's easier to follow. So make sure you stay right till the end of the video so you get the full value session. It all starts out with a product, because if you've got no product, you've got no sales. No sales equals no commissions, and no commission means no money, right? So what we need to do is tap into one of the top 3 niches, however you put it, in the industry, and that is health, wealth, and relationships. Now, I always look for programs which have what we call an ongoing fee, which means the customer, once they sign up, are going to be paying a monthly fee for that product or service, which is obviously great for us because that means you are going to receive commissions every single month that that person is a customer. Now, as this channel is based around passive income, obviously the niche that I picked was wealth. It's something that I'm very passionate about. And in fact, it's something that if you are learning about it too, then you're going to tap into that. But the trick is, if you want to pick a niche for yourself, make sure that you are super passionate about it, because that passion actually transposes when you are looking to sell that product or service as a commissionable affiliate. Now, a few years ago, I actually used to run my own business. And one of the things that I noticed was that to grow, it needed more leads to get more sales, right? So I actually got into the funnel or the sales funnel business a number of years ago. And it was amazing what happened, because within 3 years of using that, I was able to offset and actually sell the business, exit completely to a nice sum, which is obviously a bonus. And that's why if you click in the link in the description, I'm going to include a link where you can get the exact template that I use so that you can use it too. And of course, that link is a free trial. If you do decide to go for it, then we will receive a small commission, which helps the channel grow and push out more valuable content to you as well. Now, success breeds success. It might sound obvious, but stick with me here, because as soon as I started seeing success and I started posting about it, people wanted to know more. This is kind of the attraction phase. So if people see other people having success, they want a part of it. And of course, the nice thing there was my DMs blew up. My inbox literally went crazy. I was getting 20, 30 emails or 20, 30 DMs through social media every single day, because people wanted to know what I was doing to achieve those results. I was able to help them out with not only the templates, but also how to implement them within their own businesses. And of course, the commissions then started rolling in, because again, I used a software platform that requires a monthly fee. Now, when you look at anything, right, if you are growing a business, there are costs involved, whether it be online or offline, there are always business costs involved, which is why if you can provide a software or a service that gives the customer or the business a positive return on investment, they're more likely to stick around for longer, which of course is an affiliate, which is amazing. That means your commissions are going to go on and on and on. In fact, some of those commissions are still going to this day, a full 5 years later. So I'm getting paid for work that I did 5 years ago every single month right now. And one of the ways to actually get hold of that attraction and then really push it forward is if you are helping people through the DMs, and if you are starting to see those commissions coming in, you can then start posting about those commissions and even put together small frameworks that you could sell as a course, because once people see you doing well, they want to learn how. And of course, most of the times people want to learn for free, but you can actually do something slightly different. What you can do is create a really little tiny course, maybe only $7, maybe it's only 4 or 5 videos or something like that, something low ticket, something that's a really, really small barrier to entry, so they can get in and start getting results themselves. And of course, if you know anything about sales funnels, there's always going to be something what we call upsells. Now I just wanted to show you an example real quick of an active funnel that I've used personally, and it's something that I still have available today. So if you look on the screen, what you're going to see is the 10K per month method. Right now, it starts off very simple. It's a $7 product, followed by a 10K masterclass at $297, followed by a 10K accelerator, which is $497. Now, once you get people starting to join and use this, you can then pile them into a Facebook group, give them extra support, show them more bits and pieces through the course, and of course, that's where you can find your affiliates for. This is where we're talking about the passive income ladder and how you can grow it. Because the cool thing about that is once people buy your course, once people get success with your course, they might want to recommend it to other people. And this is where the leverage comes in as well, because you can make them an affiliate, pay them 50% commission, and of course, they are then helping sell your program for you. So you imagine if you were marketing and you were busting your heels or your whatever you want to call it out there, trying to get something working, trying to get more people to come and buy your product. Wouldn't it be easier if you had like 20, 30, 40, or even 50, or even more than that affiliates sending your product to their audience, promoting you to their audiences all over Facebook and other social networks, YouTube, blogs, whatever you want to call it, email lists, of course, as well. Their sales will start coming in. And that's where the magic happens. This is where the passive income ladder really kicks off, because everything that you're teaching within your course has to have an affiliate program at the end, or an affiliate product, should I say, at the end of it. And that's where kind of the magic happens, because in this example, I have the software that I use to create the course with, the sales funnel software called ClickFunnels. Now that pays about 40% commission for every customer for every month, right? So if I've got a bunch of people out there promoting my program as an affiliate, then once someone goes through ahead and buy, yes, the affiliate gets that commission. But guess what? Everyone that buys ClickFunnels or any of the other software programs that I've got on the back end, I get the commission for, which makes a lot of sense, because then you've got an army of people giving you commissions. It seems crazy, but it's true and it works. I've seen it work thousands of times. Well, maybe not thousands, but a few. I've seen it work time and time again. And the really way to level things up is, because you've now built this audience, you can then start letting them know on Facebook, in the group that I said before. You can post achievements, you can celebrate the other people's success. But where it really comes into its own, and how to keep those affiliates happy for even longer, is to sell them the entire sales funnel, right? Effectively sells them the business. They don't really have to do a thing. You can charge a much higher price, 2, 3, 5, even 10 grand for the entire funnel. So their fulfillment is completely done. It's a done for them program. Now, all of a sudden now, they're getting the commissions coming through. If they want, they can add an affiliate program to it too. But guess what's happening? The more people are seeing the funnel, the more people that are seeing the program, you're on camera, you're the one delivering the content, you have your social links on there still. You might not have your affiliate links because they're going to change those out for their own, and chances are they're not going to change all of them out, but there's a good chance that you are being seen, which then propels you all the way up to the top. And after that, you can then start adding in mentorship, group coaching, you can do masterminds, you can really level up. Everything that you see right now is the keys and the start of the passive income ladder. Now, as promised, I said I was going to share with you my top 3 income earners for my own passive income, and I'm going to go in reverse order. So number 3 is ActiveCampaign. Now, ActiveCampaign is a software automation service. So effectively, it's where I grow my email list and I use automation. If you're not using automation within your business, then you must be crazy, because you're losing out on so much time. It's so much easier that once someone becomes part of your list, to send them out an automated email sequence over time, and obviously therefore you can gain more commissions, but also they think that you're still sending that out on a personal basis. You could send out individual broadcasts as well, which is where I just type an email out, hit send, and it goes to the list or the lists that I want it to go out to. But ActiveCampaign is one of the easiest ones that I've ever used, and I've been using it for a number of years now. Can't recommend it enough. Yes, link in the description if you want a free trial. Number 2, Samcar. Scott and Brian Moran set Samcar up a few years ago now actually as a cart software, which basically means if you have a website and you want someone to buy something, they were able to put together some software which actually eases the process so much faster, so much cleaner. In fact, if I want to sell something to somebody today, I can go ahead and set up a cart in literally minutes and see that money sitting in my Stripe account. It really is that simple. And not just that as well, Samcart actually comes along with access to Brian and Scott and all their trainings. So there is a lot, if you get in their world, that you can actually learn to level up, whether it be traffic, conversions, sales, even mindset. Everything you could ever want is right inside of that. So something that I heavily recommend people to try out. And again, links in the description. Number one, of course, is ClickFunnels. I was very lucky to become a Dream Car winner back in 2019, which means that I had over 100 affiliate accounts in there. So they were paying me a nice chunk of money each month, but they were also paying me what we call a Dream Car bonus, where you're getting $1,000 if you had 200 active affiliates, or if you had 100 active, it's actually accounts, sorry, each month, right? So you're getting that bonus on top of the money. So it's one of the easiest and simplest ways that I've put together sales funnels. Again, there's a template that you can download within the description and a link to get a free trial if you wish. That would be great, because obviously if you do that, hit me up, because I've got so many cool templates for each of those products actually that I can just give to you as a nice little thank you from me. If you want even more training on affiliate marketing and achieving over $4,000 in passive income commissions, then I made this video for you. So it's an entire course. I used to sell it for about $1,000, but I decided, so I was going to do this whole thing on YouTube, that I was going to let people watch it for free, all the content as one video on YouTube. So go ahead, check it out now.